Don't cancel me, I'm just on the radio. Say whatever to do filibuster of space and time to get through. This is what you have to do. So how does it end? Well, in my life, here's the clear ending. It's more like we just give up making music for a while. When we come back to it, well, I took it pretty far this time. So I hope you got what you wanted. Everyone, here's what the end is. Here's what the end is. It's more like we just give up making music for a while, and then come back to it. But I took it pretty far this time. So I hope you got what you wanted. Everyone who wanted a final performance, but how to manually do this? So I grabbed the mic one time, I rode the wave of the cold run, trickled the road to see what the plan is. I just started the shit, what they do is it up to me? Now you know I'm leaving in cage like song. What's written in a song can't be difficult, that's all I'm saying. Of course, but everyone knows green and white products from New Miami. I can't help you, baby. It's semi-fiction. What was the fiction part? The real part was seeing the spaceship. Some cruisers saw the sky drip too. How broken was real to right, we're coming in, and it's truly about